Hi, welcome back for another unboxing video. Today we have another box from Coach. Because now is the holiday season, so Coach has been doing a lot of sales lately. This is an outlet bag that came from their outlet website. It seems they have improved their shipping. They even modified the size of the box. But let's see how the bag looks. It's a pretty big box. See a receipt. So let's take the bag out. So I guess this one wasn't came factory wrap. They just put it in a big plastic bag. Hopefully it's in good condition. Yeah, I'm probably not going to keep this one. Not sure if you can see the top here. There's a big cut here. See if I can get closer. See? Yeah, that's not. I mean, I like the look of this bag, but right out of the box is like that, and yeah. So, but let's still look at this bag. Surprisingly, it actually came with one of their pillow. I probably will return the pillow along with the bag, but you know, if I could, I would want to keep their pillow. They are good for stuffing the bag. So yeah, this is unfortunate. The bag kind of came defect, and I will have to, well, it gave me an opportunity to go to their outlet again. While I was looking up this bag, it seems a lot of people mentioning how hard it is to close this if your bag is empty. So I thought we could try it out. Let's take out the pillow. Wow, it's quite a fluffy pillow. Okay, let's see if it's empty. Actually not that bad. I mean, let's pull the string. Yeah, actually not bad at all. So I think as long as if you stuff the bag to a good shape, and you shouldn't have problem locking the bag. So, and this bag has two front pockets and drawstring. Inside the bag, at the back of it, it has a zipper pocket, and then on the other side, it has like 3 slip pockets. One is pretty small, probably just for pen or your marker pen or something. So at the back has this strap, the backpack strap. I mean, in general, the quality looks pretty good. I probably would keep it if it wasn't for the defect. But I can see that once you empty once you empty out the bag, it became hard to reach, see? So if you want to close it easily, you do have to push this out before you try to close it. Yeah, if your bag lip in, it's going to be challenging to close it. So I like the design. It's not the most convenient backpack to get things in and out, but I do like the design. So this one from the website, it say it was made from their refined calf leather. Every time I see that kind of description on Coach website, I kind of roll my eyes, because what does that even mean? Like refine, like how, like what did they do to refine? Does it just mean that it's made from genuine leather? Is that another term for genuine leather? It's super confusing, and yeah, I wish company would be more clear on what kind of leather they use, instead of kind of being tricky with the terms they use. Yeah, what do you think? Refined calf leather. What do you think how they refine it, or what kind of ingredients, material that they put in to refine the leather? Not sure, but unfortunately I'm not able to keep this bag with the big cut on the flap here. I do like it though. Regardless of the leather material, I probably would have kept this one if it wasn't has a defect on it. And I'll put the pillow back, not keeping the pillow. Yep. It's just a quick unboxing, and unfortunately I guess I'll have to return this, and hopefully they will refund me soon, then I can use it to buy another bag. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you get better luck for your Coach unboxing. Talk to you again soon. Bye.